Welcome back. Now, depending on how you want to use Amazon S3, it can be cost effective or cost prohibitive. And if you go to the front page, if you don't have an account, the pricing is right at the top menu. And we'll find out more by going to the pricing link for Amazon S3 and clicking on it. Now, you want to make sure that you don't click on the AWS pricing link. You want to make sure you click on this link that says pricing in the gray bar. Basically, if you don't have an account, you'll be able to get an estimate by using the calculator up front. We can basically see that if you're just using it for storage, now Amazon uses fairly big numbers, but you can look to find out that it is going to be about 2.3 cents per gigabyte in terms of storage. You're also going to pay for bandwidth, or when somebody makes a demand on your server or on the files on your server. This is going to be determined by the request pricing, and there is a tiered system for files that are used infrequently as well as files that are used frequently. Now, if you're going to be transferring data outside of Amazon S3 to another storage facility, there is a charge for that. Also, there's no charge for transferring data in to Amazon S3, obviously. And typically once monthly, you'll get an invoice for your Amazon charges. It typically comes sometime between the 1st and the 5th of every month, and you'll have a monthly charge that you'll pay automatically to Amazon through whatever card that you have on file. And your billing statement email will typically come on the same day. You can also see a breakdown of those charges inside of AWS when they come. So you will be using the storage in effect before you actually pay for it. There is a free usage tier, so if you're not using a whole lot and you're just getting started, you can try Amazon S3 for free. As you can see here, this free period will last for one entire calendar year. So if you don't have an Amazon S3 account and you're on this page, all you'll need to do is to click this button, and then that'll take you to try Amazon S3 for free. In the next video, we will go through a brief setup process. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.